We'll be covering several frameworks and tools in today's workshop. In our last workshop, we provided an overview of what thorough supervision entails, outlining 7 supervisory responsibilities. Today, we'll be focusing primarily on how you gain more clarity about job expectations, identify gaps in what you do and don't know about your job, and how you can get more regular feedback to stay on track. We'll be looking at the tell no checklist again, which is meant to help you think through the kinds of information shared to set expectations and take baseline assessments with a new employee. For those of you in the first workshop, the one we had at the beginning of the semester, over the past few weeks, you will likely have covered more of the items of this tell no list since we first introduced it. But we encourage you to look over the list again in order to identify a few more knowledge gaps where you could benefit from additional information. One of the best ways to get this additional information is by communicating with your supervisor and/or coworkers. We will go over some strategies for getting the feedback needed to clarify what is expected of you. And finally, while focusing on communication to identify what you need to meet expectations, we will teach you to assess your own work style and learning preferences and take into account the preferences of others in order to navigate your workplace more adeptly.